Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android device has the clock app or digital well-being. Open the clock app first. If you don't see sleep or bedtime, check digital well-being. Once done, tap the sleep or bedtime tab to begin the setup flow. You're doing this to create consistent sleep cues and limit interruptions. Make sure Do Not Disturb permissions are granted when prompted, because without them, alarms and wind-down modes won't behave as expected. Now you configure the actual schedule. Drag the bedtime and wake time sliders or type exact times and choose which days repeat. Select an alarm sound or gentle wake option so you rise without a jolt. Next, enable wind-down features. These reduce blue light, trigger Do Not Disturb, and launch a calming routine before sleep. If offered, customize notifications allowed during the period. This step ensures your phone supports sleep behavior rather than disrupting it. Finish by saving the schedule and running a quick one-night trial to confirm alarms, wind down, and Do Not Disturb behave as expected. You'll want to monitor the first 2 nights and make tiny adjustments to time, volume, or notification exceptions. If something goes wrong, check app permissions and disable battery optimization for clock or digital well-being so the system won't stop background timers. If alarms fail, reboot the phone and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.